with the appropriate technology. With decisions being taken more and more often using data than ever, companies increasingly require competent business analysts. If you are a newcomer or want to grow in your career, you need to understand what a business analyst is. 6 top business analyst jobs. 1. Business Analytics Specialist. These experts use statistics to help businesses make better decisions. They analyze trends in data, generate reports, and share ideas to make business plans better. Principal occupations: collect and study data, create and update dashboards. Skills required: know how to operate data tools like Excel, SQL, and Tableau. Good problem analysis skill. Job progression: lead business analyst, business intelligence analyst. 2. IT Business Analyst. IT Business Analysts bridge what a business needs and technology. They join forces with IT teams to ensure technology serves the business effectively. Major tasks: collect and document business requirements, translate business needs into technical specifications. Skills needed: understand IT and software development, good analytical and communication skills. Career development: senior IT business analyst, IT project manager. 3. Financial analyst. Financial analysts review how a company is doing financial. They interpret financial data, develop funds plans, and offer counsel to assist companies in making sound financial decisions. Principal jobs: review financial statements and reports, develop financial models and projections. Skills needed: knowledge of money markets and regulations, understand how to handle Excel and finance packages. Career development: senior financial analyst, finance manager. 4. Data analyst. Data analysts gather, clean, and interpret data. They help businesses by giving them useful insight from the data. Major positions: collect and clean data, do statistical studies. Skills needed: know data tools like SQL, Python, and R, sound knowledge of statistics. Career development: senior data analyst, data scientist. 5. Product manager. It is the task of product managers to make a product a success. They work with different teams to make the product meet the customer and business demands. Major industries: plan the product's vision and goals, gather and group product requirements. 6. Consultant. Consultants offer experts' opinions to make businesses better. Business analysts from consultants offer advice to clients on how to solve challenging problems and attain successful solutions. Key responsibilities: analyze and monitor companies, identify and diagnose business issues. Skills needed: excellent problem-solving and thinking abilities, good people and communication skills. Conclusion: business analysts are crucial in assisting companies to improve and thrive with data and effective planning. They collaborate with managers to fix issues and streamline processes. Being a business analyst is an excellent way to really make a difference in business.